Hello and welcome. This is Azharul Rafy, and in today's video I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you a brief overview on what is affiliate marketing and how the business model works, and then I'm going to share my experience on how I have earned over 1000 US dollars from one single affiliate program by referring only 17 customers. So without further ado, let me give you the overview of affiliate marketing and affiliate model. So first of all, let's say you are a business owner, you have got a product, and I am a marketer. So now, if you want to generate sales, if you want to get revenue and profits, you have to promote your product, you have to advertise your product, and then you will get customers' attention, then you will generate some sales. In this case, let's say you are promoting your product and activated your affiliate program. So as a marketer, what I'm going to do, I will try to find as much information as possible regarding your product from online, from some other resources where people have used your product. I will create some contents. Maybe I would produce some blog contents by writing some articles. Maybe I'm going to make videos. Maybe I'm going to share details about your product on some seminars. And from these videos, blogs or seminars, if some of the people find interest on your product, if they visit your website by using my affiliate URL and they purchase some subscription from your website, I am going to get some commission. And while I am getting some commission, you are actually making some profit without spending a single cent on advertisement. So this is a win-win situation for you as a business owner and for me as an affiliate marketer. So for example, if you just go to big companies like Amazon, AliExpress, or let's say you talk about hosting services like HostGator or Bluehost, SiteGround, or whatever it is, almost all of the online businesses has affiliate program enabled. Let me show you as an example. If I visit Amazon and if I take you to the bottom of the page, you are going to see become an affiliate button here. So if you click here, you are going to find all the procedures to join into their affiliate associate program so that you'll be able to start recommending their product and you will get some commissions. As you can see, earn up to 10% affiliate fees from qualified purchasing programs. So let me show you another example. Let's talk about Bluehost. So I'm visiting bluehost.com, which is a hosting platform which I mostly use. And if I go to affiliates, you are going to find whenever you are going to refer any customer to Bluehost, you are going to earn 65 US dollars. So I promote this service completely free on my videos and I generate commission. So as an affiliate marketer, you could do this as well, and you can find almost all of the tools, whatever tools you are using. Let's say you are a graphic designer, and if you just go to make a Google search like graphic tools affiliate programs, and you might going to find it. Just take a look, Snappa. So this is one kind of graphic tool, and you are going to get some commission, earn 30% recurring commission from each sales you are going to generate through your affiliate link. All right, so it's very easy. Simply whatever tool you are using, let's say I am using HostGator or HostGator, and I want to join to their affiliate program. So how I could join to their affiliate program? Let me just join. So after visiting HostGator, I have to visit the bottom of the web page, and you are going to find, like, from this affiliate section, become an affiliate. So let's say you are not seeing this affiliate button on this website. What you can do, you can simply type it out like HostGator affiliate and hit enter. You are going to find this link directly. So let's click here, and now just take a look, sign up for free. So just click on sign up for free, and then you have to enter all the details which are going to show you on the next screen. You have to enter all the details of your information and then sign up, and then start promoting the link which you are going to get, just like this one. All right, and then you are going to promote this link through your blog contents, through your YouTube videos. Now let me show you how you can share affiliate links through blog contents. Let's say I want to make a search here. Let me type out best hosting service provider, and if I open the first URL, or let's say this one, third one, you are going to find almost all of these websites or blog sites are writing articles about best web hosting service providers, and they are referring, I can see the top 9 best web hosting providers. If you click any one of these links, from any of these clickable links, let's say I want to visit this one, HostGator. Okay, if I click here, get a 61% discount, visit HostGator. So I'm going to click here. You are going to see like this person, hostgator.com is the official website, but just take a look, this is the promo. And if you just look carefully, you are going to find AFF, which means affiliate, and then here's the ID. So this person has an affiliate account, and he or she has written this article, and whenever someone is visiting to their referred website, recommended website, by using any one of these links which they have provided on their website, whenever someone is going to purchase any of the subscription from any of these websites, they are going to earn some commission. All right, so that was the process of writing articles and generating sales. So now let me talk about this service, how I have promoted, and more details about this product. Okay, so here, as I am a lead generator, I have shared some of the video tutorials on how to do lead generation for my fellow followers who want to work as a lead generator. Let me show you in real example. I'm going to youtube.com, and then if I make a search here, Azharul Rafy lead generation, you are going to find these videos. So here, this is a perfect example. If you just take a look at the description of this video, you are going to find like Hunter, find email addresses in seconds. So this is the website Hunter, and I have included this URL. As you can see here, I have shortened this URL with bit.ly, and then I have included this URL. So whenever someone is visiting and watching this video, and if they find this video helpful, I'm going to attach the video link into the video description for you, so that you'll have a clear idea on how to make a video if you are interested to promote any product. Okay, so if you just notice, I didn't mention one single time to purchase, or let's say bagara to sell this product, but still I have mentioned the product URL into the description field below of the video. And whenever someone finds this video helpful, they are going to read my description, and they are going to find this tool URL added here, and they are going to click here and visit hunter.com website. Let me show you hunter.io actually website. Now if they find this website interesting, and if they go to this pricing section, or if they just create an account and then purchase any of their services, then I'm going to generate some commissions. And as you can see, 30% commission on the first 12 payments within the first 12 months. So even if I convert one customer to refer one customer to this website, and I'm going to get paid 12 months in a recurring commission base. So let me show you some examples here. If I go to commission, you are going to say, see, like I have been paid 33 times. And if I just copy this customer ID, and then I'm going to put Ctrl F into my keyboard, and I'm going to paste Ctrl V, and just take a look, it is matching up. This customer ID is matching up with 6 references. So from one single customer, I have earned 6 times. I have been paid 6 times. Okay, so let's say this person is, each time I'm getting 14.70 US dollars. So 14.70 into, let's say, 6 times, I have already earned 88 US dollars from one single customer by referring only one single customer. So if you just notice here, this customer, which I am getting paid 59 US dollars. So again, let me make it clear. So this website has some features. As you can see, starter pack for 49 US dollars per month, growth pack 99 US dollars, pro pack 199 US dollars. So this customer has purchased the starter pack, which is 49 US dollars, and this customer has purchased the pro pack, as you can see, 199. So the bigger a package price is, the bigger the commission is going to be, as you can see here. So on each sale I am generating, or each month I am generating 59.70 US dollars. So if I just copy this customer ID and if I paste it here, just take a look, it is matching up 2 times. So from one single customer I have got commission, I have got paid on June 15th and on July 15th. So each month I am getting commission. So if I just count it up, like 59 into 2, I have earned 118 US dollars from one single customer. So that's the benefit, and that's the greatest thing of the recurring commission. So if I take you here, you will see like 30% commission on the first 12 months within the first 12 months. So if you are referring one customer today, you are going to get paid for the next 12 months if their subscription is still active on this platform. So now let's say you want to join into Hunter affiliate program. So how you can join? Simple. You have to visit hunter.io and then go down to the page or bottom of the page, and after that you are going to find from company section affiliate program. Simply click here and then apply for the affiliate program. Now enter all the details. What is your first name, last name, and then professional email address, and then what is your company name. You can put your name. If you don't own a company, you can put your name. For example, if I've entered here my first name is Azharul, last name is Rafy, and my email address is mdrafy9@gmail.com. Here in your what is your company name, you have to enter your name only. If you don't own a company, it's totally fine. And then put your website URL or your YouTube channel. Let's say you have got a website. For me, my website URL is learners.world. If I just copy and paste it here, that's totally fine. Or I can simply visit my YouTube channel, and then I can copy my YouTube channel link from here. Okay, from here I can simply copy my YouTube channel link and then come here, paste it here, and then are you a current or previous Hunter customer? No or yes, it depends on your situation. So why you are interested in Hunter affiliate program, you can write I have got an audience base, I love this product and I want to promote this product with my audiences, so that I'll be able to generate some customers for you, which will definitely going to give some profits to you, and then I'd love to get some commissions from the sales. So that's it. You just have to write it here and then click on submit. That's it. They're going to review and they're going to approve your affiliate program membership. And then what you have to do, I have already shown. You can put the advertisement on your website on the header part, on the right hand side, or on the sidebar, on the middle of your contents, etc. Or you can put your affiliate links. This is one of my affiliate video as well. So if you just visit here, you are going to find like here is the free tool. I have talked about a free tool which help people to get better on their English writing and actually error-free writing. And then I have just mentioned the tool link here. Here's the free tool link to correct writing English. And whenever someone is signing up completely free, I am actually getting some commission from the business owner. So that's the process. So you can either create a blog site to promote affiliate product links, or you can share your affiliate links on your YouTube channel through your YouTube videos. So that was the process, guys. So I hope and I believe I was able to share some valuable information with you throughout this video. If you have found this video helpful, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to set up a website for affiliate marketing with Bluehost or whatever hosting services, and if you want more tutorials on affiliate marketing, please let me know by commenting below what are the questions you have got regarding affiliate marketing. Then I'd love to share my experiences. I'd love to share the best ways which you can implement to generate good revenue from affiliate marketing. So please share this video to help some of your friends if you have found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.